Hello, it's Danielle. Thanks for joining me on my channel again today. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you very much. Your support is appreciated. Without further ado, I've got a package from MelodySusie today. So MelodySusie sent me these press-on nails. These ones right here you've seen on Christine's channel, Conjure Up Nails. These ones, these are beautiful. Let me just open them up. I want to show you how pretty those are. They've got like this rainbow aurora kind of hue to them. I love them. Look how pretty those are. And it comes with a little assembly pack, if you will. Oop, I'm spilling them everywhere. But the ones I'm going to focus on today are going to be these ones. So these ones, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Let's check out these bad boys, or bad girls, or bad thems. The bad ones, the baddies. How about that? We'll call them the baddies. Okay, so on the back of this box, there is instructions on what to do. And inside the box, you get a whole bunch of nails. I'm gonna count them out after here. The little backing thing. And you get this little assembly bag. So you've got an alcohol wipe, an orange stick, and a little file in here, as well as some press-on tabs. You've got enough there to do 2 sets, it looks like. Okay. Let me lay out all these nails here. Okay, so I have all the nails set out for you. They've got 0 to 9. They've put 2 number 5s in there and 2 number 6s in there, so you get 24 nails in total. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna size them. So when you size them, you wanna make sure you get sidewall to sidewall completely covered. So let me try the 0. See, the 0 covers me sidewall to sidewall, but I think it's a little wide. So the best fitting for me is gonna be this one. And if you want, just to get the sizing to your nail a little bit better, you can just file it down a little bit. So I've got flatter cuticles on my thumbs anyways, so I like to give it just a little brush with that file. And then there we go. So I'm gonna size these all to my nails, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've narrowed these down by size for my fingers. My next step would be buffing the surface of my nail. Buff, 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 give it a little buff. Really good wipe with the alcohol wipe. Push back my cuticles. Make sure my cuticles are back really well. And then, if you wanted to just wear them for the day, you would use these sticky tabs. If you wanted to last them for a week or better, definitely get you some good nail glue. I'm just gonna put these on for the day. So I'm gonna start by picking a sticky tab that fits. just gonna lay this down on my nail. And then peel the backing off. Okay, so I've peeled the backing off. Now I'm going to grab my nail. Let me press down on that. There you go. So I will say one thing when using the sticky tab is you can kind of see the shadow of it through this color. I wonder if it would be different if you used glue. These are pretty sturdy though. I will say the nails themselves, they've got a good thickness to them. So I'm just gonna put on all the other ones and then I'll show you after. Hey, here they are. You know, they've got so many different types and styles of press-on nails on their sites that if you're looking for some good quality, beautiful designed press-on nails, definitely check out MelodySusie. On a side note, aside from their press-on nails, I also use their drill. This is the Artemis drill. It's just a little portable drill. I want to say this is my favorite drill. I absolutely love this drill. Works so good for me for what I do. For personal use, maybe it might not stand up in a salon setting, but for personal use, amazing. Recommend completely. So thank you, MelodySusie, for sending these out to me. It is much appreciated. And thanks to all of you for watching. See you next time.